Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Camille Pidestura, age of 34. I'm from Mandaluyong, Philippines. My height is 5 flat. My weight is 60 kilogram. I'm a widow with one kid, 13 years old. Um, my vocational graduate housekeeping. I'm a first timer for nanny bound to Dubai. My work experience here in the Philippines is housekeeping janitorial. I can do changing diaper, bathing, dressing, and feeding. I can do washing, cleaning, and iron. I can take care baby, kids, and elder. I'm willing to learn how to cook Arabic food. I'm a honest a person, hardworking. Thank you, Madam and Sir.